Say this to yourself for 1 minute only. 1 minute may seem small, but the words you speak during that minute can change the way you feel about yourself and your life. Many people spend their days silently repeating fear, doubt, and worry. They tell themselves that nothing is changing, they are not enough, or good things are too far away. Over time, these thoughts begin to feel true, but you can choose a different message. You can pause, breathe, and speak to yourself with love, trust, and confidence. You do not need to force yourself to feel perfect. You only need to become willing to believe that something better is possible. Your words can remind you that you are worthy, capable, supported, and ready for a fresh beginning. In the next section, you will repeat a few long form affirmations created to calm your mind and reconnect you with your inner strength. Give these words your full attention for just 1 minute. Speak them slowly, feel their meaning, and allow them to reach the parts of you that have been carrying fear for too long. This 1 minute is not about pretending that every problem has disappeared. It is about choosing a new direction and giving your mind a kinder, stronger truth to follow. Take a slow breath and allow these words to become your own. I am safe at this moment, and I trust that life is guiding me towards something better. I release the fear that tells me I am behind, forgotten, or not good enough. I do not need to have every answer today because I am learning, growing, and moving forward in my own time. I am worthy of love that feels honest, opportunities that respect my value, and peace that does not depend on anyone else. I forgive myself for the moments when I doubted my strength. I choose to see myself with kinder eyes. Everything I have experienced has taught me something, but my past no longer controls the future I am creating. I am ready to receive new blessings without fear, guilt, or hesitation. Good things are allowed to enter my life, and I am allowed to enjoy them. My heart is becoming lighter, my mind is becoming calmer, and my confidence is returning. I trust myself to make choices that support my happiness and protect my peace. I no longer chase what does not choose me. I no longer beg for what I naturally deserve. I welcome healthy love, steady abundance, clear direction, and unexpected joy. I believe that my life can change in beautiful ways, and I am open to noticing every small sign of progress. From this moment forward, I speak to myself with love because I am worthy, I am capable, and I am ready. The thoughts that hold you back often sound familiar because you have repeated them for a long time. They may say, I always fail, nothing ever works for me, or I am not worthy of a better life. When these thoughts appear again and again, they can feel like facts. But a thought is not always the truth. Sometimes it is only an old fear asking to be noticed and released. You do not have to fight every negative thought or blame yourself for having it. Simply pause and ask, is this thought helping me, or is it keeping me afraid? Then choose a calmer and kinder message. Instead of saying, I cannot do this, remind yourself, I can take one small step. Instead of believing that nothing is changing, Say, positive changes may already be beginning, even if I cannot see them yet. Your mind learns from what you repeat, so give it words that build your strength instead of breaking it down. Each time you replace fear with trust, you create more space for peace. You are not your doubts, your mistakes, or the painful words you once believed. You are someone who can learn a new way of thinking, and that new way can begin with one gentle sentence today. Speaking as if life is supporting you does not mean ignoring your problems or pretending that everything is perfect. It means refusing to let fear decide how your story will end. When you constantly say, "Something will go wrong," your mind begins to search for danger everywhere. But when you gently remind yourself, "I will be able to handle whatever comes," you return to your own strength. Your words can help you move from worry into trust. Begin telling yourself, "Life is making room for something better. I am being guided toward the right people, choices, and opportunities. I may not understand everything today, but I trust that clarity will come at the right time." These words do not force an instant change. They help you face life with a calmer heart and a clearer mind. You stop expecting disappointment before anything has even happened. You begin to believe that a delayed answer may be protecting you, a closed door may be redirecting you, and an uncertain moment may be preparing you for growth. Speak about your future with hope, even when your present feels difficult. You deserve to hear words that make you feel stronger. Let your own voice become a source of comfort, courage, and steady trust. The words you speak become more meaningful when you slow down and truly feel them. It is easy to repeat an affirmation while your mind is somewhere else. But real change begins when you connect with what you are saying. If you say, "I am worthy of love," pause and remember that your worth does not depend on who stayed, who left, or who failed to value you. If you say, "I am ready for abundance," allow yourself to imagine what it would feel like to live without constant fear about the future. Let the words bring a small feeling of relief, hope, or peace. You do not need to feel completely confident at once. Even a little belief is enough to begin. Speak slowly, breathe naturally, and allow each sentence to reach your heart. If an affirmation feels difficult to accept, do not force it. Gently say, "I am learning to believe that I deserve good things." This feels honest and gives your mind room to grow. Your emotions help turn simple words into a personal message of healing and strength. When your mind, voice, and feelings come together, you are no longer repeating empty sentences. You are reminding yourself of the person you are ready to become and the life you are ready to welcome. A new belief about yourself begins when you stop allowing old pain to define your value. Perhaps someone made you feel difficult to love, easy to replace, or never good enough. Perhaps you failed at something important and began to question your ability. These experiences may have hurt you, but they do not tell the full truth about who you are. You can choose to see yourself differently now. Begin reminding yourself, I am enough, even while I am still growing. I deserve respect, peace, and honest love. I am capable of creating positive changes in my life. At first, these words may feel unfamiliar because your mind has listened to the opposite message for too long. Keep speaking with patience. A healthy belief grows through gentle repetition, just like confidence grows through small acts of courage. Notice the ways you have survived difficult days, learned from mistakes, and continued even when you felt tired. These are signs of your strength. You do not need approval from everyone to believe in yourself. Your value was never meant to be decided by another person's attention or opinion. The more you respect your own worth, the easier it becomes to choose people, opportunities, and habits that respect it too. You are not trying to become worthy. You are learning to recognize that you already are. Opening your mind to good possibilities means allowing yourself to believe that life can offer more than what you have known before. Pain may have taught you to expect disappointment, but your past does not have to become the pattern of your future. There are still people you have not met, opportunities you have not discovered, and joyful moments you have not experienced. Instead of asking, "What if everything goes wrong?" gently ask, "What if something goes right?" Let yourself believe that the right opportunity can appear, that healthy love can find you, and that peace can become a normal part of your life. Say to yourself, "I am open to better experiences. I welcome people who value me, opportunities that help me grow, and abundance that brings ease into my life. I trust that something good can happen for me." You do not need to know exactly when or how it will arrive. Your role is to remain open, make wise choices, and take the next step when it becomes clear. Hope does not make you weak or unrealistic. It gives you the courage to keep moving when the path feels uncertain. There is more available to you than your fear can see. Allow your mind to make room for a future that feels peaceful, supported, meaningful, and full of new possibilities. Repeating this practice every day can slowly change the way you speak to yourself. You do not need a long routine or a perfect setting. One quiet minute in the morning can help you begin the day with a clear and hopeful mind. 1 minute before sleep can help you release the stress you carried throughout the day. You can also use these words whenever fear, doubt, or sadness begins to feel heavy. Place your attention on your breathing and choose a few sentences that support what you need most. You might say, "I am safe. I trust myself. I deserve good things. I am moving toward a better life." Speak slowly and allow each word to feel personal. Some days you may believe every sentence, while on other days you may struggle to feel anything. Continue anyway, without judging yourself. The purpose is not to be perfect. The purpose is to build a kinder mental habit, 1 minute at a time. Repetition teaches your mind which thoughts deserve your attention. When you regularly choose words of peace, courage, and self-respect, those words begin to feel more natural. A minute may appear small, but a small practice repeated with care can create a strong inner change. Let this become a daily promise to speak to yourself like someone whose heart truly matters. Positive change does not always arrive as one big and dramatic moment. Often, it begins quietly within you. You may notice that a thought that once ruined your whole day no longer has the same power. You may stop blaming yourself for everything, feel calmer when plans change, or find the courage to say no without feeling guilty. You may begin choosing people who respect you instead of chasing those who make you question your worth. These small changes are signs that your inner voice is becoming kinder and stronger. Do not ignore them simply because your life has not changed overnight. Every peaceful reaction, healthy boundary, and hopeful thought is proof that you are moving forward. Pay attention to how you speak, how you respond to challenges, and how quickly you return to peace after a difficult moment. Growth can also appear as a desire to rest. Try again, ask for help, or walk away from something that no longer feels right. Celebrate these moments. They show that the words you repeat are becoming part of how you see yourself. Keep trusting the process, even on days when you feel uncertain. You are not standing still. You are building confidence, protecting your peace, and creating a healthier relationship with yourself, one thought and one choice at a time. Carry these words with you as you move through your day. You do not need to change everything at once. Give yourself one quiet minute, speak with love, and remember that the voice you hear most often should support you, comfort you, and remind you of your strength. Keep choosing thoughts that protect your peace and help you believe in better possibilities. You are worthy of good things, capable of positive change, and stronger than the doubts you are learning to release. If these words helped you feel calmer or more hopeful, please like this video and share it with someone who may need the same reminder today. Comment below with the affirmation you are choosing to believe from this moment forward, and subscribe to the channel for more healing and empowering affirmations. Keep speaking kindly to yourself, because 1 minute of loving words can become the beginning of a beautiful new chapter.